In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a survey on Microsoft Forms. Starting with the basics, Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that enables you to create surveys, quizzes, and polls. It's a great way to collect feedback or data from a wide range of individuals. However, there might come a time when you need to close a survey, either because you've gathered enough responses or because the survey is no longer relevant. Whatever the reason, shutting down responses to your survey ensures that no further data is collected, maintaining the integrity of the information you've already received. Our first step in this process is to navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. This is where all your survey magic begins. Opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Microsoft Forms should take you right there. Once you've reached the Microsoft Forms homepage, the next logical step is to sign into your Microsoft account. You'll find the sign-in prompt prominently displayed. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page where you can enter your credentials. Signing in is a straightforward process. All you need is your Microsoft account email, enter this information when prompted, and remember, if your account is associated with a specific organization, make sure you're using the correct email that's tied to it. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on the Next button. Following this, you'll be asked to enter your password. Like any other secure login process, make sure you type in the correct password associated with your account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a Forgot My Password link to help you reset it. Upon entering your password, click Next to proceed further. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your active forms, surveys, and quizzes live. It's the central hub for managing your content on Microsoft Forms. Your next step is to locate the specific survey you wish to close. Browse through your dashboard. You might have several forms, so take your time to find the exact one you're targeting. Once you've identified the survey, click on it to access its settings and responses. Upon opening your survey, look for the Settings option. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your survey, including its availability to respondents. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Accept Responses. This option is typically checked by default because naturally you want to collect responses from the outset. To close your survey, simply uncheck the Accept Responses option. This action immediately halts any new submissions, effectively closing your survey to further participation. It's a simple click, but it's a definitive action that stops the collection of new data. It's important to note that unchecking Accept Responses doesn't delete your survey or the responses you've accumulated so far. It only prevents new submissions. This means you can still access all the data you've collected, analyze it, or export it for further use. Closing a survey on Microsoft Forms is a simple process, but it's an essential part of managing your surveys effectively. Whether you've reached your target number of responses or the survey is no longer applicable, closing it prevents any further submissions, ensuring the data you've collected remains static for analysis. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily close a survey on Microsoft Forms, ensuring that you have complete control over the response gathering phase of your survey. Remember, you can always reopen the survey at a later date by simply checking the Accept Responses option again. This flexibility makes Microsoft Forms a powerful tool for gathering and managing data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.